Step into the realm of IIT Kanpur where excitement knows no bounds. On the 20th of May 2023, the campus came alive as over 500 gaming enthusiasts came together for the Skoar College Gaming event. It was an absolutely immersive experience like no other, where gaming took center stage. The students took part in a world of exhilarating activities, from captivating scavenger hunts that test wits to mind-blowing Intel gaming workshops that unlock the secrets of mastering their favorite games.
It was a really great experience. So like this thing is happening first time for our batch.
A great experience. Like I was playing on this 13th gen PC for the first time, and like it felt like I was in the game.
The basic difference between our laptops and these laptops is the graphic card, and it doesn't stuck. Graphics is really good, and the headphones, the sound effect is also very nice.
And let's not forget the adrenaline pumping LAN tournament where gamers battled it out for glory. The energy in the air was electric as gamers pushed the limits of their skills. Join us next time for more thrilling gaming experience and unforgettable moments. Until then, keep gaming and let Intel power your imagination.